Welcome to QuickBooks Online Payroll. Here, you can pay your employees and have QuickBooks automatically pay and file your payroll taxes on your behalf. Let's go over where everything is in QuickBooks Online Payroll. Go to Payroll and select Overview. This is where you pay your team. If you just signed up for QuickBooks Online Payroll, you can use the list of tasks to set up payroll correctly. You can also get help from our setup guide or check out videos to help you get started. After you've run payroll for the first time, this page shows shortcuts to commonly used functions, like adding employees and editing payroll items. And you'll see the status of your automatic taxes and auto payroll, as well as employee milestones. From the Employees tab, you see a list of employees you've added to QuickBooks and important facts about them, like pay rates and how you pay them. If you want more details, select an employee. If you are hiring a new employee, select Add an employee to set them up. This is also where you can invite employees to QuickBooks Workforce so they can add some of their personal info, as well as view their paychecks, T4S and Relev 1s online. You can pay employees from here as well, and if you ever need to run payroll just for bonuses or commissions only, you can use these options. Once you select an employee, QuickBooks Online Payroll also helps you select a workers' comp plan and employee benefits like health insurance and retirement plans in the deductions and contributions section. Back to payroll, select payroll taxes. The Payroll Tax Center is where QuickBooks alerts you on anything that needs attention or is coming up in the future for tax payments and tax form filing. This is also where you can see and print federal forms, provincial forms, T4S, Relev 1s as well as past payments. If you want QuickBooks to automatically pay and file your taxes and forms, go to the Payroll Overview page to see setup tasks you may still need to complete. Use the Compliance tab to read the latest news from federal and provincial agencies on taxes and other payroll rules. If you use Payroll Premium, you can use the Time tab to see who's working and where, enter time, and approve employee time. Select Reports and in the Standard Reports tab, go to the Payroll section to run reports on payroll tax liability, total payroll cost, and more. To see your payroll preferences, select Settings and Payroll Settings. This is where you set up auto payroll, request an increase to direct deposit limits, map payroll expenses and deductions to accounts on your chart of accounts, and more. You can also use the Settings menu to change your subscriptions and billing info. If you want to grant your payroll administrators access to QuickBooks Payroll, or need to update your payroll contacts, select Manage Users to add them. Check out another video to learn more about how to set up users. Now you're ready to start using QuickBooks to manage your payroll.